Okay, so next up is Frosty the Snowman. So, Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. We're going to sign dirt. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, so a story. We're going to weave our little story together. It's a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat he wore, or that they found. I'm changing the words here. In the old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Okay, there's your stage and there's your like little people dancing their little legs. Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. So we're kind of showing like you and me were the same, just the same as you and me. Frosty the Snowman knew the sun was hot that day, so he said, let's run and we'll have some fun now before I melt away. Down to the village. So these are your different roofs. Some people go back and forth, but this could be a village, a community, a town, a city. Okay, so anything that kind of has like a couple of roofs. Or again, you can go back and forth. Totally up to you. Both the same. Running here and there all around the square, saying, catch me if you can. He led them down the streets of town. There's that sign again. Right to the traffic cop. You show a C and then you kind of show your badge. And he only paused a moment. So we're going to sign wait here. He only paused a moment when he heard him holler, stop. Okay, for Frosty the Snowman had to hurry on his way. You can do hurry, 2 H's. Hurry on his way, but he waved goodbye, saying, don't you cry. I'll be back again someday. Very good. And you're welcome to sing that all you want. We have a really cute book here that we like to use at my house. But yeah, it's super fun, this one. Okay.